Alright, just wanted to point out real quick something about, or a few things about the 2025 wolf moon. So, a wolf moon is the first full moon of the year, and it just happened to be on January 13th this year, a date written 1/13, like 113, and it's also a Monday or moon day. So, Monday is, you could, I guess, say ruled by the moon. But anyway, so wolf moon, moonlight, and luminary all equal 113. Of course, moon begins with the letter M, and M is the 13th letter. The wolf moon is on the 13th of January this year. Wolf moon and luminary both equal 41, and 41 is the 13th prime number. And let's not forget that it takes 13 moon cycles for the Earth to go around the sun once. Yeah, just wanted to point that out because of this wolf moon just happening to fall on a Monday on January 13th this year. It's really actually a profound connection that wolf moon equals 113 and 41, and I just discovered this, so you know, thinking about how that connects is definitely pretty interesting. But yeah, that's all I had to say. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Peace.